How is heaven?
I never been to heaven. Lapha ku heaven akuyina noma ubani. No
Yeah.
one abantu abaningi akumelanga babone uNkulunkulu. You can't see God. No one knows God.
But kewa easy voice yakhe.
Yeah.
Injani?
I don't mangicala ukukhuluma ngalento leyo like khona into engivalayo. It doesn't want me to talk. I really wanted to describe God but iyangivala.
Ukhona mara.
Yeah.
Uyasithanda.
Yeah, uyasithanda but akathandi izinto esizenzayo. That's why athumela abantu abafana nami ukuthi baniguide ukuthi ukhona. That is why mina ngile ngaba isidakwa and stuff. Wangikhipha lapho. Ukhona.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now ungakwazi ukuconnecta noGod?
No.
Oh.
I don't just connect noGod nje. No.
No.
But ukhona.
But yini into angayifuni uNkulunkulu kahle kahle? Like esizenzayo sizenza every day, but what is it that God doesn't like about us? All right, greetings and salutation. This is Podcast Lab with Kamala Elements. We are back again with another episode. Do the right thing. Make sure you do like and share and tell everyone to come and celebrate the 30K together. As I'm saying right now, we are on the road to 30K. Make sure you tell everyone to do the same and like and subscribe. I will never, ever, ever be alone. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, give it up for the one and only Prophet Mashiho is in the building. Prophet, are you good? Ngiyaphila. Hey, it's been a while. Awusazeki ufika ngewinter wena sewufake isikhafu saseBritain.
Ngiyabanda Joburg.
How's Limpopo been treating you?
Right, because I'm always into helping people, so I don't see the difference.
Awuphuma vele?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, angiphumi.
So vele ngeday, how many people you deal with a day?
A day I'm only helping 6 people, but ngisuke ngibookiwe. So a week I think 30 people.
30.
Yeah, every week.
So beyond that you don't.
No, I cannot help abantu aba more than the number.
Yeah.
You understand? Kune limit because my gift is different. I get possessed and I get tired.
You get tired.
Ngena imimoya emzimbeni wami, you know. So I can't help people about 10 a day, no.
Yeah.
Mele ngiphumula.
Kuyakhathaza ne?
Too much because we were drained physically and spiritually and emotionally. Because amadlozi abantu awafani, amanye aza ngeanger, amanye aza azubuhlungu, abafani. Unganceda umuntu oyi1 namadlozi ayi5 afuna ukukhuluma lokho atshintshana. You understand? So hey, it's difficult.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yazi bengazi mediumship ne, just to tell you the truth. I didn't know much about the mediumship ukuthi isebenza kanjani and so the time we had the first episode, that's why I realized when the mediumship is all about this, it's all about the spirit angena kuwe akhulume through you and all of that. So I just want to understand in this part yokuthi because ngibone one of your videos where you were talking, your voice was changing, you were like now aggressive. What was going on there? Like do you change even the way you speak, the tone? Is it the same as the ancestors angene kuwe akhuluma ngakhona through you?
Yes. There's difference between ancestors nemimoya. You know, ama ancestors, they're my blood, amathongo. Abomkhulu bami abashona, you know, my bloodline. And then kunemimoya. So imimoya yemvelo, it depends where I am. Imimoya esemanzini, esentabeni, esenhlani. Mangithi imimoya, let's say for instance, mangisentabeni. Obviously entabeni kunezilwane ezikhe zafela lapha ya za decompose. So le mimoya lo ya cause I'm a medium zikhona ukungipossess. That's why when I talk I roar like a lion. Yeah, sometimes I talk like a bird, you understand. Get depend on what kind of spirit is lapha ya. So yes, as a medium I get possessed by any spirit.
Do you control them? Can you control the spirit?
Yes, I can control them. Yeah, not unless they are angry. If they are angry, I can't control them. Yeah, because mangizubuhlungu ama ancestors wami namimoya yami ayifuni ngikwate, so mangikwatile just take over and nje ngashaya inqindi ebondeni, you know.
Yeah.
So but ngiyakhona ukuyicalm down because abanye abantu mabazile ngizobanceda bayangilinga, you know. That's why ngile ngavala i-face to face consultation. I don't do it anymore because baza lapha bazongitesta. Come on, I'm a medium, I'm a psychic, ngiyafila. ngikubona usangena egedini ukuthi uphethe imimoya enjani, good or bad, or you are a witch. So uthola ukuthi le mimoya seyakwata, ngithi no, calm down, asimekele simconsult ahambe. Lapho sengikuconsulta nginyanyisekile, sekunyanye nedlozi ukuthi usuka le uzolinga lo mntwana la. So yes, I can control them.
Vane baphethe imimoya eminjani?
Abathakathi, like they just come nalezi zinto zabo spiritual. Remember umthakathi ne-medium is the same thing. Ama-medium ama-witch, you understand? So abathakathi, when they come, they want to drain you. You understand? But bafuna ukudraina spiritually. They want to take your power spiritually. Unfortunately, mina nawe siyafana. Le nto yenzayo ngiyayibona, siyabonana. That is why mina ngikhona ukubona umthakathi. Umthakathi ubona umthakathi. Yeah. So mabaza nento zabo spiritually, not physically. Yeah. Abanye baza nazo physically, but kunabathakathi abaserious. Bahlala banezinto spiritually. Umuthi abawuphathi so, but bawuphatha spiritually sebenzisa spiritually.
Konjani umthakathi okwambona wathi yo hayi bengazi ukuthi ibhoza nawe la ha yile because ngiyacabanga ukuthi akhona amabhoza ngithi
akhona amabhoza like mina vele abantu abangizala emuva yilabo, you know, abathakathi abaserious.
Not small fish.
Ama small fish, ama sardine, umuntu oyemuntwini for something, no. Uma abantu aba-gifted for witchcraft. Yeah, baningi, especially njengoba ngihlalela Limpopo baningi. Hey, into eziningi zenzakele but just that I don't want to talk about them.
As ngithi uzostembela uzositshela zona ukuthi hey phela hey kokwezomunye.
No, abanye ngibazi, you know, but into engikhonile ukuyibona ukuthi it doesn't matter where you are, umthakathi uyafika la ukhona. Mina ngikhonile ukubona abathakathi abahlala la ngihlala khona eJoburg, but bakhona ukuza le. This thing ukuthi umuntu flyer ngomchanyela, it exists, they do.
Baflanga umchanyela.
Yes, ikhona vele. Mina ngabelieve until I saw it, and into engiyanyisayo ukuthi I know them. Yabo, so mangibabona lapha in the spiritual realm, I'm like manje sengistrong.
Yeah.
So kulimaza and ngishayitanda in the spiritual realm because ngumntana wamanzi. Yeah, so siyazibona nini umuntu sekaza chuka.
Yeah. Yo, there's a lot not to know, eh?
It's better when you are not gifted because when your third eye is open, akusana kuphumula.
Yeah.
Yeah, you target.
Mama now notice spiritual world yababona benza lokho abawenzako. Esikhathini esiningi vane benzani bayabulala laba bantu or is just nje umthakathi nje ulwela impilo yakhe ukuthi ibe right iqonde.
Umthakathi umsebenzi wakho ukudestroya, like wena mawuhlupheka uyajabula ugena happiness when amawukhala, you understand? So thina abantu aba spiritually gifted basilanda because they want to extend their powers, whatever that you have. They want to they don't want to kill you because when you die with your powers. So they rather use your powers while you are still alive. That's why bakhona ukuthakatha mawuye emuntwini but when unenhlanhla mara inhlanhla zakho azizi kuwe, someone is using those powers.
Okay, now it makes sense.
So umsakathi usebenzisa amandla wakho mawufile you are useless naye uyawa mela athole enye target. Yeah.
Sure. So Maya, on your case like endabeni ngifuna yazi sikhulume nangana sindaba yokuthi like let's say as a mediumship like abantu bangena kuwe bakhuluma amadlozi ahlukile bayayisho lento abayisho kuwe. Abantu basafara kuyiphi inkinga? Are they not believing in ancestors or abantu basafara ukuthi baya ignorant?
Abantu abaningi abazakimi abantu aba-confused nge-spiritual gift sabo. Remember mina angilaphi, I'm a medium, I'm a spiritualist. So abantu abazakimi most of the time abantu aba-confused ngama-gift wabo. Ama-self-initiate most of them, they don't need to go to Twasa, they just have to align ukuthi bona abobani, and then abanye badinga i-closure, you know, abanye badinga umuntu bangakhuluma naye. That's why anginasikhathi ukuthi 1 hour session. Abanye they just want to talk to someone, umpolice azwe idlozi lakhe. Like, you know, ukuzwa i-message from the spiritual realm. Now uma umuntu uyaphola ukuthi ubaba uthe ngiziyeke inkomo zakhe, it's fine, ngiziyekele, so let me move on with my life. Because most of people babambelele entweni engaseyabo, balokhu bathi eish amadlozi azongikwatela mangaphuma la ekhaya. No. So abantu abaningi ba-confused ngama-gift wabo ukuthi no prophet yazi ngiyaphupha mani lento othi ngiyayiphupha ama-beats but angazi ukuthi ngenzeni ngiyothwasa na bayajaha that is why it's very simple uma uye emuntwini athi kuwe ngena ephehlweni because wena uphupha amabhaya red black and white yeah so
mina yami
ba-confused.
igift i-confused.
Abanye benu you are not gifted to the point ukuthi usebenze ngabantu but ukhethwe amathongo ukuthi ucommunicate nabo, you understand, not ukuthi ubona indaba zabantu or uprofite but amadlozi wakho ane-jealous ngawe afuna ukuthi everything that you are doing ungakhohlwa i-culture like uma ufuna umsebenzi kumele uphahle bogogo nabomkhulu ngisayofuna umsebenzi bogogo nabomkhulu ngifuna umshado bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyahamba manje ngemsebenzini. That's what they want amanye amadlozi not ukuthi kumele uboniswe. So abantu mababona ama-beats babona namabhayi bacabanga ukuthi bona bazoprofita abantu kanti no, that one it's a spiritual cloth le ethande umkhulu ukuthi uyigcoke le beat oyigcokile i-representa wena ukuthi wena umntwana abantu abadala and then abantu baya misunderstand.
It's very confusing ukuthi how would you wish ukuthi uprofita abantu as like a normal being. I mean, like life is okay. I mean, you can even relate on your story. Mouse aqala journey yakho kuba i-medium. Like your life was just okay. Uziphilela, uziphandela ngendlela uziphandela ngayo. And then later on you're like fanele usebenze ngabantu be like
abanga mina ngeke ngizenze lezi zinto like ngingekho interested. You understand?
So it's very tricky for a normal person ukuthi have an interest kakhulu ukuthi ifanele profit, or maybe it's because of the confusion.
Bayasaba abantu abaningi truly speaking bathi idlozi lahluphekisana. My mother once told me that no mntana mekela lezi zinto manje uzohlupheka. Abantu abadala bayahluphekisana, you understand? Abanye bayazithanda and abanazo, you know, those who are chosen, those who are truly chosen like abazi-entertain lezi zinto lezi, and then laba banganadlozi zobona bagijima nemicimbi yezangoma because bafuna into abangayazi.
Wonke umuntu vele kumele aye emanzini?
Yeah, wonke umuntu ola emhlabeni kumele aye emanzini.
Why?
Because water is life, and water it's light, yabo. Amanzi impilo and light and ayakhanya and amanzi ahlala hamba. So now impilo yakho izoba ne-direction. You understand? Yeah, everyone. Yeah.
What if I'm a killer, I'm a serial killer or whatever, murderer or something? Do water will accept me? Do water spirit will accept me?
Amanzi uNkulunkulu. I've said that before. Amanzi uNkulunkulu. When we talk about God, we talk about water. You understand? So if wenze ngenhloso, uNkulunkulu uhlala acolela anyway. That's what they tell us. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu uhlala acolela even though you murdered that person ngenhloso or nge-mistake, azo-accept amanzi. Amanzi athanda umuntu opure enhlizweni. Awafuni umuntu okhohlakele. That is why uma wenza into zakho lapho ukhohlakele akuna achievement ezoba khona. Yeah, because ukhohlakele. Yabona, so nawe uma uzitshela ukuthi ngiyocleanser lo muntu lo ngimbulalile, like you want to you let it go, azokamukela. Amanzi asebenza ngokusensa. Lento lapha emanzini iyanukelela.
Then if like let's say ngibulele and then ngene emanzini, does that mean ukuthi lesi sithunzi sakhe sizokusuka kungilandela like all the time I see this person engimbulalile?
Yeah, sizosuka only if unceda umuntu ophiwe ngalento leyo, because some people bathanda ukuheala izinto abangaphanga zona. Yeah. Nabantu abenza i-one size fit all. Abanye abantu baphiwe vele ukuthi bageze abantu abanjalo, ababulele, banika abantu abafuna inhlanhla, imithe inhlanhla. So if ugeza umuntu all right for that process, then yes, izohamba.
Laba bathwele inyoka.
Laba bathwele inyoka.
Bake beze vele ku umuntu aphethe under corner lapha ya ku consultation. You abona ukuthi lo uthethe lento lo.
Yeah, bakhona.
What did you see?
Not specifically i-anaconda, but khona abanye abantu engibonayo like idlozi like lisho ukuthi lo muntu lo yelo wathatha izinto endaweni. Then ngimbuza ukuthi you went to a traditional healer bakunika is something, then the person will confess and then uthi yeah ngiyele ngaya ku-traditional healer and then bangigeza ngamathuna womuntu inhlabathi yomuntu so yabo so yeah abantu abanjalo ngiyababona abanye angibatsheli just ngiyabanceda yeah
Ndole lonke le imimoya emphethe like iyakwazi ukusuka.
kuyadependa mina ngithi it's better when you talk to me ungitshele ukuthi unesithwalo because part of my gift I can talk to isithwalo sakho also. Yeah, i-gift yami. I don't care. I've told you before ukuthi ngi-bad and ngi-good. For instance, let's say uye somewhere bakunikeze umoya. Angisho ezinye izinto akusinyoka straight but it's a physical thing. And then ufuna ukwazi ukuthi lento yakho isuthi na izoconnecta nami ikhuluma ukuthi mina ngi-right but lo ungipha ukudla late or wenzani but angibafuni labantu labo but sengiyasho.
So yasho ukuthi you can just that you don't take them.
Yeah.
Sure, Prophet. Yeah. Musi hoho leyo. Like ihoho straight like uyabona.
Into zemhlabeni angisho khona na ku spiritual realm. You understand? So
but abantu abaningi nabathwele ne bathola ngimimoya enjani like in most cases except le moya abantu abafile. Idlozi.
Yeah. I can kill my own child ngimsebenzise or cousin yami ngimsebenzise so isithwalo sedlozi man ngathi yiso si right because sifulathela everyone in the family sisebenzela wena. Remember idlozi it's a spirit enakekela bonke abazukulu nabazukulwana. So idlozi liphiwe ipower from God. Imagine wena mawuthatha yonke leya power leya uyisebenzisa so idlozi bona ngathi yiyo isithwalo sibest le ezeyinyoka nani I think they can betray you.
Yeah. So idlozi lakwazi ukumqolela loyo muntu le after asekathwele ngalo and then maseka shoni masekufika isikhathi sokuthi ashone after leaving siyakwazi ukumqolela ukuthi wena you were using me on bad things.
Amadlozi they can betray us. That's the one thing that I can say. Amadlozi bias betrayer. How can you allow omunye umuntu akuthatha akusebenzise and then ufulathele thina? So amanye amadlozi azwana nokudizwa. Uyaphahla uyalitshela idlozi ukuthi mkhulu ngicela ukuthi ufulathele bonke ubheke mina I promise you ngizokuhlabela inkomo every December cause umkhulu vele le time aphila mekazwana nokubribwa then uzovuma. Imagine just for one cow a year. Yeah, so amanye amadlozi awathwetshula awaforced amanye ayazinikela cause uyawathembisa. Yeah. Fana namanje uye thuneni uthi eshigogo ngisacela ukuthi unginikeze umsebenzi man or kune promotion emsebenzini ngiyacela manguthola lo msebenzi I promise you immediately nguthola I will make a tombstone for you. Lizovula lela dlozi and then when you don't go back uyoyenza le tombstone into zakho azizoshabalala shubusweni uhlakaniphile idlozi ledom idlozi liyamamela. Amanye azwana vele nokuthwetshulwa vele bazwana nazo vele lezo abanye bayasibetray thina basebenzela umuntu oyi-one because of ukuhlaba. Yeah.
So kuba ne situation la ukhuluma khona nedlozi elithwetshuliwe and lathwetshulwa umuntu ukuthi naye washona the kids are just experiencing poverty on top of poverty or struggle on top of struggle.
Yes, ngike nga-experience idlozi elinjalo kaningi futhi. So before the time ngisacela uconsult abantu I used to thola ama-situation wamadlozi athwebulele and mina myself ngiyochecka ukuthi lithwetshuliwe. For instance, let's say you want to talk to your mother and then ngithi nginike igama lakhe nesibongo and then ngiyambiza and then aka-connect ngithanda ukuthi ngingene ngichecke ukuthi kahle kahle ukuphi so manje angisayenzi lento leyo sengiyazi ukuthi manga-connect usho ukuthi uthwetshuliwe ngoba ngale ku-spiritual realms abantu abathwetshuliwe ku-dangerous ne. Alright, the first person that I ever consulted it's my mentor ne ukucala kwami uconsult umuntu efonini and ukwazi ukuthi ngemedium ngo-12 ebusuku wathi kimi ngicela ukuthi ungiconnectise nogokwami and then ngangena ku-spiritual realm ngamtshela ngathi ugogo wakho ngiyambona ufaswe ngama-chain and umbashile ugrey and then ngaphuma fast ngamtshela ngathi hey ngiyafuna ukumkhipha but I'm scared because angazi gift yami eyane yabo athi awungawariyekela and then into enye yathi go back yomkhipha. Imagine midnight ngafaka isiphika vele ngathandaza vele ngayenza the way ngenza ngakhona and then ngangena to the spiritual realm. So lapha ngibonile ukuthi akusiyimo lwayo just mina ngibukele amadlozi wami You understand? Bayala, I even change voices. Lo bhuti yena ngenzi loudspeaker, ngibekela iPhone. So ngangena to the spiritual realm, ngangena ngalwa nalabantu labaya. Ngadonsa ugogo laphayana ngagijimana. It's like a movie. Mawungayicoca kanje is like lo namanga. Ikhona lento leyo. So ngamdonsa ugogo ngagijima naye. Nakhona kusiyimi but it's my ancestors in the spiritual realm. Ngathi ngimkhipha nasemgodini ngagijima naye and then ngambuza ugogo ukuthi uya kuphi khabo because she was married. Ngambuza isibongo ukuthi uya ngapha or ngapha athi hayi ngicela ukuthi ungise ngapha ngoba laba ngithwebule khona kungapha. Then ngamshiya lapho and then mina ngabuya as an astral projection emzimbeni wami ngamtshela lo bhuti bengimncede efonini ukuthi ugogo right after 3 days wamphupha namanje uyamphupha isibhine ngikhuluma ngalo yabhuti yeah uyamphupha vele wabonga kimi thank you what so wamphupha ke ase akwakhe acleana vele like a happy yeah so it was my first time that time.
So vele akudingeki umuthi ukumkhipha kulawo maketane nanani chains.
Lento leyo I want people to understand I'm a medium. I mean I'm a spiritualist, you understand? I'm not a traditional healer. I'm a traditional healer. They won't do that. They need to go to the grave. Too. Nah, you know?
Yeah.
So mina ngisebenza ngomoya. Mina igift yami yakaNkulunkulu. You understand? YakaNkulunkulu akuse amadlozi. Akuse kagogwama, akuse kamkhulu but uNkulunkulu it's using me. You understand? So there's no need ukuthi ngemathuneni ngekuphi kuphi. Or there's this patient ubhuti wakhe naye mebamthwebulile. You understand? Wangithumela imali and then ngathi okay it's fine. Ngizokunikeza idate ngiyenze this thing. Ayithathe nesikhathi only 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Ayithathe nesikhathi.
Okay.
Askise.
Okay.
So lo bhuti wakhe uthe ucela ukukhuluma naye ubhuti wakhe ngashona 2009 or whatever ngiyamtshela ngithi uthwetshuliwe yabo and then angithumela imali vele ibe into fast ngithi ungawari ngizokunceda and then ngamnceda ekseni ngo8 mangiceda ukuvuka ngagezi nabuso on top of my bed mina ngisebenza noma kukuphi like there's no need for me ukuthi ngigcoke fast ngilayite nekendlela no angistrafi mina.
You just connecting nje like Wi-Fi.
Yes, like Wi-Fi. So ngagibele I mean to say mangiceda ukuvuka ngitext vele and then ngimconnect vele ubhuti wakhe vele afuthi ubhuti wakhe azange athathe nesikhathi. Ubhuti wakhe or I don't remember because baningi labantu engibancedayo. Ubani I don't remember yes. No akusubhuti wakhe man this guy bengithi ngiyamconnecta and then ngathi no it's fine ngizokconnecta mangizokuyisa emanzini and then mangimconnecta ngisemanzini ngathi kuya aze nelinye flower so ne waza nalo vele ngambiza ubhuti wakhe ngisemanzini kwaba into ya 3 seconds ngambiza ngamkhipha la khona just ukuma nje so ngangena ku spiritual realm at the river vele because mebazo cleanse and then ngamkhipha then ngabatshela ukuthi bayenzeni ngale flower kusasa kakhona usisi wakhe wathi uphuphe abantu bazi bathi kuye uThemba uPhuthemba umise ePhuthemba uthi wamangala ukuthi hawu musuThemba ushonile wayilabantu bayenza kanje so ngamtshela ngathi ungawari ubhuti wakho right.
Spiritual realm kwenzakala nini? What kind of a place if you can paint a picture?
I don't know.
But khona kumhlaba kusemoyeni.
Yeah. So like it's a dimension kusemoyeni. Yeah, kufana nala emhlabeni actually.
Okay.
Yeah, kufana nala emhlabeni but ngale kusetshenzwa over time akufani nala. That's why bathi mawushonile uphumule.
Yeah.
Ngale kuyasetshenzwa.
Kwenziwani?
Like kufana nokuthi uNkulunkulu yabona sithandaza every day sifuna in so namadlozi nawo aphila kanjalo kumele manje bablesse wena nini umzuku like kubusy akuna peace because sihlala sicela abanye bakolota emhlabeni mebathakatha abanye basafuna ukuhlambululwa abanye kuningi nje like kuningi mara kufana nala emhlabeni.
Oh okay,
kufana nala emhlabeni.
Sure. Izulu likhona. Is there any God, heaven, hell? The way basitshele ngakhona ukuthi wena uzokuya kwaSathane uzokuya esihogweni wena ngeke ulibone izulu.
Yeah, iheli khona cause ngikhumbula ngiconsulta umunye usisi afuna ukukhuluma nogogo wakhe ngangena ku-spiritual realm ngathola asha ugogo wakhe so nami le nto mingi-affecta ngisha ngaphuma fast ngathi ugogo wakhe uka-hell she was a witch ugogo wakhe mekathakatha
vele bekathakatha naye na uzwa uclient
yeah no yena i-client uthi ugogo wami nomkhulu wami mebasonta was prophet and then umkhulu wakhe unfortunately yena mekangathwetshulanga wangitshela wathi no prophet mtshele ngathi hayi sisi most of people abathakatha ilaba basontayo so I know ukuthi ibhlungu uthi musigogo nomkhulu bebahlala bathi sesontweni ngithi I know most of people abama-witch basesontweni because they are hiding from i-community you understand so ugogo wakhe mekasha laphaya so umuntu okahela ngikhona ukumkhipha I can't intando kaNkulunkulu
ngikuthi lokasha laphaya so my usha until when forever
I don't know because it was my first time ngiconsult umuntu onjalo you understand so I don't know maybe forever and anye kumhlambulula umuntu onjalo that's one you can't hlambulula right la khona and then kunabanye abazibulele labo ke there's chances yokuthi ungabalungisela babe right khona abazibulele
how do you lungisela them
kuyadependa thola ukuthi ubulewe or uzibulele there's some rituals abazenzayo you understand siyaziyenza ama ritual nyana ukuthi at least lo yamuntu abe sharp from ukuzibulala kwakhe yeah
so man makazibulele vane ngizwe bathi okay abogobela abaningi they have this thing yokuthi umuntu makazibulele kusho ukuthi akafika isikhathi sakhe he died prematurely so uzokuba yedwa la akhona emoyeni until ufika isikhathi sakhe until abe ne-family yakhe
no
is that true
mina on my side njengoba ngibonile baningi like it's like ejele indawo yakhona mara ku dark because ngikhumbula ngichashe kwenye indlu so kwaze esinye spirit it was a man it was a boy because ngiyasensa vele ngi1 ebusuku and indawo yakhona ina gate indlu ngathi who is there and then the spirit sathi uyangibona ngathi angikuboni but ngiyakufila and then the spirit sathi kimi serious ngathi sangitshela igama sathi yazi mina 2020 nge-lockdown amajita ayile ngibulalela la kule ndawo le ama-RDP indawo yakhona amajita bayile bangibulalela la kule ndawo bangigubhela and which is kuneyitori vele laphaya amajita ayile bangigubhela lana and so umoya wami ula kule RDP le ngathi oh and then ngambuza ukuthi like why you don't go to heaven wathi akekho umuntu mekangangisa can you take me there uyongicwelisela kuNkulunkulu ngathi okay no problem. And then I did pray and ask God ukuthi amcolele and then uNkulunkulu wathi no uyazi ukuthi meka uyenzani makakutshela iqiniso and then this spirit sasho ukuthi mina mengibamba inkunzi nami mengibulala ngathi unfortunately that means we gonna roam here so ile iperisity ziya they are roaming spirit ile mimoya esestradini nje leyo epokayo mele ulungiselwe and umoya unje uyarape
kanjani
ukhona ukulala nawe as a spirit that's why ilama spiritual husband you understand yes because awunandawo musa awunandawo in the spiritual realm so uzolokhu urape abafazi namadoda
sure hey this is so deep
yes so
okay kesibambe le yokuthwebula ne ngiyeza abantu basho umuntu abamthebula wamthatha basho bamfaka ebhodleleni then bamvalela and then bese bamkhulumisa so wena mawuyomkhipha umkhipha from lelo bhodlelo umsusu umse la afanele abe khona
khona umunye ngike ngamkhipha but mina I don't know about ibhodlela ngisho maybe zenza inyanga lezo I don't know mina ngiyakhipha nje ukuthi uphuma phi I don't care ngiyamkhipha ngike ngakhipha ispirit ngiselimpopo ngamtshela ngathi ungawari mangiza lapho ngizokunikeza yona like ngiyamkhipha la ngimkhipha khona and then ngiyambamba usemadlozini wami and then mina nawe masihlangana as my patient ngizokunikela yena and then uhambe naye
so uyamthatha umnikeze yena
like ngiyamkhipha in the spiritual realm and then ngimbeka namadlozi wami angisho uthotshiliwe
Yeah.
ngiyamkhipha that side and then ngimbeka emadlozini wami so that mina nawe masihlangana physically I can lend the spirit to you uhambe naso.
Yeah.
So indaba yokuthi babafake emabhodleleni what I don't know. You understand? Angazi babafaka kuphi but
Yeah.
mina ngiyalikhipha idlozi elithwetshuliwe so angazi bathwebula kanjani. Ngiyakhona ukulikhipha idlozi elithwetshuliwe if uyangiphaphela ngiyakhona ukulithatha futhi whatever that I can heal I can also send it back to you. You understand? Keep a spiritual husband mangiphaphela ngiyasibusela.
That's what we said. A spiritual husband vele wena akusindo. I'm sure it's not something exokolisako kuyikhipha ne.
No, that's why umsebenzi wami vele. Ngidila ngalezo vele.
But just asogolisa spiritual husband ukuskipha as.
Asokolisi mina ayikho into engisokolisayo. You understand? That is why khona izinto engingazenzi khona izinto engizenzayo. Uyabo, so for me it's not hard but akusinto sihila for one day uzolokhu uza every month isilokhu si you understand
Ukuthi ngasabuyi.
Ngikunceda yes ngikunceda
Sure.
angisho into esifana nalezi ama spiritual husband that is why everyone need to go to the water. It doesn't matter if you are spiritually gifted or what. Cleansing.
It's very important for everyone.
Yes, cleansing right. Ungarelax empilweni like uhlale. There's no need ukuthi uye emuntwini ageze. Water alone ucleanse. Uyenzela le mimoya emdaka le. Imoya emdaka ihlala emuntwini omdaka vele.
Yo, as was wangithusa.
I'm telling you, ngisho le mpilo kuyakhula especially more relaxed and umsebenzi wemoya omubi ukuthi ukucindezela ungakhona ukucabanga. You understand? Uhlala urelax lokuthi angizoya. You know? Phela abanye abantu ne there's no need for you to go to traditional healers or abantu abafana nami. Abanye abantu like some people you have to do it yourself. Wenze something ungene emuthi shop uthenga amanzi pink yenza something cleanse yourself.
Yeah.
And then abanye vele it's a must ukuthi bancede yithi abantu bomoya.
Emanzini yazikhe ngezwe bathi ne kunama abantu bagubhela izinto zabo ezithusako lapha ya. What do? Do you check ukuthi leli damu li safe for ukuthi ngingasabantu kilo?
Angisho amanzi are different. Kuya depend ukuthi umuntu ngimisa kuphi. Because abantu banenkinga is different. Khona aba spiritual high, khona aba spiritual low because angeke ngithathe umuntu o spiritual low emanzini a deep or amanzini a powerful. So mina mangifika endaweni ngikhona ukusensa ukuthi la ku bad or ku good or indawo yithwalo. But okusalayo ngiyangena lapha ya.
Ngeke ukwenze next.
Mina ngisabi next. No, I'm not scared of anything. You understand?
Angeke sikulandele.
kaNkulunkulu. No, angeke zingilandela. I do fight those kind of spirits mangisemanzini. I do fight them. That's why before ngena ngiya-checka kucala ukuthi kwenzakalani ngelihlo lomoya.
Ngelihlo lomoya.
Yeah.
Umnikazi wamanzi nakakhuluma nawe akakhuluma through you vana kutshele indaba ezinjani? Sorry to put you on the corner, but I have to. I don't have any choice.
Akazangitshela indaba ezinjanjani. Let me tell you something about me ne. Kunenye into like abantu abafana nami bakhona kudala. You understand? Hence bathi mokhona abantu abokhuba bomkhulu wethu mebaya entabeni for 12 months. Mababuya seba ama traditional healer. Abogogo bethu bathi baye emanzini bathwasa babuya. Lezi zinto lezo mesikhona. But mina ngiyele ngathwasa. I was initiated underwater but physically ngenyama. Not ukuthi ngiyele ngaya nganyamalala emanzini and then ngabuya. No. Mina the time ngicala ukuya emanzini ngiyobonisa into zami and stuff. Ngithe mangiya lapha yana lama voice lawa akimi abomkhulu bami bathi go to this kind of water. Amanzi wami eLimpopo abantu abaningi abawazi. Mara bahlala lapha ya bayangibuza ukuthi uwazelaphi la ngithi hayi ngibonisa ama ancestors. So mangiya lapha kuleya river leya umnikazi wamanzi mekakhuluma nami ukuthi yabona lamanzi lawa ya ulapha abantu abaso. Yabona lapha ya ulapha abantu abaso. Like mekakhuluma nami ngimile so not ukuthi ngiyambona but ukhuluma nami ngengcondo. You understand? So noma ngiya emanzini la or empophomeni simple ukuthi ngiconnect because ngumntana wamanzi. You understand? Ba connecta nami bangitshela ukuthi no labantu bakho laba ungabafaki deep labantu bakho labo mabafaka amaduku, you understand, mabafaka amabhayi mara bangafaka amabhayi a-red, you understand, or lo tshela lo ukuthi alayite ikhandlela elimhlophe, you understand. So yeah, they talk to me. Yeah.
Eish. Yazini ne, I believe like everyone now is curious ukuthi kwenzakalani, especially masisa ku REM. Yes, I think like everyone should have a question ukuthi it's either you're going to hell or you go to heaven. And at the same time, you just wonder, how is heaven?
I never been to heaven. Lapha ku heaven akuyina noma ubani. No
Yeah.
one, abantu abaningi akumelanga babone uNkulunkulu. You can't see God. No one knows God.
But ke wa easy voice yakhe.
Yeah.
Injani?
I don't. Bangicala ukukhuluma ngale nto leyo, like khona into engivalayo. It doesn't want me to talk. I really wanted to describe God, but iyangivala.
Ukhona mara.
Yeah.
Uyasithanda.
Yeah, uyasithanda but akathandi izinto esizenzayo. That's why athumela abantu abafana nami ukuthi baniguide ukuthi ukhona. That is why mina nyele ngaba isidakwa and stuff. Wangikhipha lapho. Ukhona.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now ungakwazi ukuconnecta noGod?
No.
Oh.
I don't just connect noGod nje. No.
No.
But ukhona.
But yini into angayifuni uNkulunkulu kahle kahle? Like esizenzayo sizenza every day, but what is it that God doesn't like about us?
uNkulunkulu akanandaba nokuthi senzani, uyaphuza. uNkulunkulu akanandaba, akafuni umuntu owenza ubutsotsi. You understand? Akafuni umuntu oyenza ubutsotsi in the name of God. You understand? Like ubutsotsi akafuni umuntu ozenza uclever. Ukuthi wena uya groovist wenzani, lezo akanandaba because uyazi kusemhlabeni at the end of the day. You understand? So uNkulunkulu ufuna simsabe. Yabona mawusaba uNkulunkulu anye kwenza izinto ezibhedayo. Because you'll be like, hey, I'm scared of God. So ubutsotsi. Umfundisi uhamba mangesontweni uyisigebengu. Izinto
uNkulunkulu angazifuni lezo.
Yes.
Ungumfundisi wamanga uthatha imali zabantu. God doesn't want that. Sure.
Utshela abantu ukuthi bangayenzi ini mara uyayenza. Iyo into angayifuni leyo.
What is God saying about ancestors? Does God approve ancestors? What is the relationship between God and ancestors?
God created ancestors. Yeah. God created the ancestors. God is the boss of the ancestors. Ancestors get message from God. You understand? That's why kunabantu izipho zabo, their gift, their blessings, they come from ancestors. There are some people ama blessing wabo abuya straight kuNkulunkulu, not from the ancestors. You understand? So God created ancestors as much as God created the spirit emanzini ukuthi zigade lamanzi. You understand? So uNkulunkulu iboss yama ancestors.
Kahle kahle CEO.
I-CEO yama ancestors ukuthi imoto, umshado, ini, it's up to you ukuthi lo mntana umnika kanjani. And then kunamanye amadlozi ayenza so. Lokho bathi thenga imbuzi. Thenga inkomo. Thuna la mali ko right ngizokunika lo msebenzi. You understand? Yeah. And then kunamanye ama-ancestors abavele bakunike shem, bakunike, bakubless.
What is the thing? Okay, ngifuna ukuunderstand nalapho ukuthi masiyilahla thina esabantu abaphila emhlabeni sithi hi, ancestors are demonic, because I've seen comments like that ukuthi ancestors are demonic, wara. How dangerous it is to say that, especially to God and ancestors?
Abantu abathi ama-ancestors they are demonic, i-believe yabo, but ancestors I'm sorry. Abantu abathi ama-ancestors are demonic, abantu aba-lost ne-belief yabo, because believe in Jesus. Where is Jesus now? Jesus is dead. You understand? Jesus is dead, and Jesus was a human being. Your grandfather was alive once and ushonile, but your grandfather wakho uthi yena i-demon. So in Jesus' name, I believe in Jesus. They're busy calling Jesus, but they don't call their ancestors. You understand? They don't even know who Jesus was white or mega umlungu. No one ever said, mina ngike ngaphupha uJesus. Akekho umuntu ongasuke waphupha uJesu. At the end of the day, that picture they say is Jesus. It was created by the human being. At least mina mangisi mkhulu ngiyazi ukuthi umkhulu ke waphila umkhulu wami mikalwa in the war angangilwela you understand so ba confuse ukuthi balandela uJesus too much and then there's difference between culture and religion culture into ehlala ikhona from way back and then ireligion into yamanje ukuthi kune Zion kune Christian kunani so bona baya ku religion too much bayekela iculture you understand so mina ngibona ngathi like it's their choice omunye nomunye choice yakhe ukuthi ama sisters ama demon or what choice yakhe so some of us we do believe in ancestors.
You touched something so important previously. You spoke about forgiveness. Ukubamba umuntu ngehliziyo. Kenzeka ukuthi umuntu umbambe ngehliziyo izinto zakhe zibhethe worse.
Yeah, kenzeka. It happens most of the time. It doesn't matter ukuthi owagini lo muntu or akuso wagini. Kunabanye abantu abanamadlozi, abazilweli. No, they don't fight for themselves physically, but balwela amathongo wabo. You understand? And then bazokubamba ngenhliziyo to the point ukuthi into zakho zingalungi not until you go back to those people and say ngiyaxolisa. You understand? Inhliziyo it's something oyifilayo you can't touch it's ama emotions so imagine manje ngikubambile umoya awufani nento physical so manje ngikubambile ngenhliziyo into zakho zizostuck until uza so that ngizolikhulula nami inhliziyo ukuthi shem uxolisile usingimxolela yeah so abanye abantu balwela ama ancestors wabo noNkulunkulu abazilweli yeah
ukuthi wena uhlukumeza umntana wethu
yeah uhlukumeza umntana wethu umdelelile and then yeah
this is your punishment.
Yeah, this is your punishment. Bayakubamba vele. Remember in the spiritual realm amadlozi wethu ayalwa. Yeah, they are fighting. Hence I say impilo yalana yangali yafana. Yeah, that is why ubona abantu balwela amatla. Umunye uthi hey wena uprofiti zona mina ngiprofiti kukudlula. Ama ancestors in the spiritual realm they are fighting physically, spiritually and then this thing is affecting us physically.
Bale ba dangerous labo bezimu ne those ancestors lokuthi they will fight for someone lokuthi uzobhlungu.
Yeah, ba dangerous. Yeah, ba dangerous kakhulu because amanye ama ancestors abaxoleli bangakubamba ngento umuntu akubambe ngenhliziyo ngathi angafa lo you'll die. You'll die. Ngathi nalo mntananyana wakho sisiswini abe isichwala just ngomlomo. Uzoba isichwala lo yamntana. Uzoba crippled because of my mouth. Nalidlozi lami elingiphethe.
So in that case is there any point where I can reverse it? Mina as a person abangifisa lokunjanjani as an example.
You can't reverse it. That's when you can't reverse it.
So the only best way is just go back and apologize.
Yeah. You can't reverse that one. That one it's a serious case. Umuntu makakesile akucalekisile ukuthi la kulomndeni nonke nofana hlupheka vele. Yes. Not unless amadlozi wenu nawo anenkani ayalwa then you won't die poor. Yeah.
Oh so amadlozi akangakulwela ukuthi kungenzeki lokho
kungenzeki lokho but if mina nginedlozi eli powerful ukudlule lakho then you gonna die poor. Yeah. Ngisho amadlozi wethu awalingani at the end of the day. Yeah.
So what is your role there? Is there any role you can play in between?
Mina kanjani?
Like let's say maybe I'm cursing someone ukuthi that person will die poor, ne? And then maybe that person now is struggling.
No healer can do that.
No healer can do that.
That one i-bad luck engalungiseki le. You must go there. Kuloyo muntu yoxolisa. Nabanye abaconsulta ngibatshele ngithi hayi hamba kulo muntu osoyoxolisa. Mina ikinto engizoyenza uzodliwa imali la.
And I just believe that the pride is too deep for a person to go back and apologize.
Pride. Khona abantu abakwatela bomama abo. Ngomama abo uyamthuka awatwati. Let it go. Ask forgiveness from your mother. Don't entertain her. Yes, at the end of the day, she's your mom. Ubabakho, yeah, akangikhulisanga kuyafana mos. Don't do that. Ama blessing wakho uthola ukuthi aphethe kuyo lo muntu lo ongamthathi serious.
And in most cases I believe people are experiencing with their fathers like Yinja angikhulisanga angibalekela.
Akakhulisanga lo angifuna nokumbona ayenziwa lento leyo. Thola ukuthi yena lo muntu lo. Yabona umuntu ongana next physically, spiritual une power. Umuntu one power physical, spiritual akana power, powerless. You understand? That is why I can date you ngihlale nawe ungena next wena. Mina ngi powerful spiritual angisebenzi. When uyasebenza, you are a business person, mina ngisebenzi. Kanti wena usebenza ngamandla wami.
Oh.
Yes, that's why ngithi kunama housewife.
Yeah.
They were born to be ama housewife. Ama power wala madoda abuya kulabafazi. Idlozi lami lisebenzela wena lithi ayeke lo mntana ethu ahlala and then wena ubona ngathi uhlakaniphile uyamshithela and then what uzohlala phansi divorce ahambe abe right empilweni. Yes.
Sakole wena ke.
Wena so uyasogola. So abanye abantu abayi understand lento leyo. Yeah.
Sure. Yana leya thusa ne. People should be aware of this thing ukuthi bahambe bahlukumeza abanye abantu and get away with it.
Yes. Fortunately, yes. They must never do that. Like hey, uyele muva man ufuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yeah, uyele muva ukuthi wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Inhliziyo yomuntu dangerous ukudlula umuthi. Forgiveness, even though you don't forget, but forgive the person. Yeah.
Sure, Prophet. Sikhulumile yazi ngifuna ke sibambe nanasindo sihlarisa high. Yeah. Isihlarisa high yini?
Isihlarisa high umuntu wasekhaya, umuntu wala ifamily. Most of the time, if you are self-initiate, if you are truly chupe, self-initiated, tshwantse gore o be le setlhare se leng gore o fa ke badimo ba gago mo ditorong. Especially for you, there's no need for you to go and buy amagobongo or whatever. As a chupe, ulingaka chupe, ngaka ya setso ya chupe, tshwantse gore ba o bontshe setlhare ke badimo ba geno. You understand? Umuzi nomuzi unomuthi wakhona specifically wala ikhaya. You understand? Because abogogo nabomkhulu bethu they were gifted emithini.
Yeah.
So most of ama self-initiate abarapedishe botlhale ukuthi babanikeza ama-herb wala ikhaya by the ancestors. So umuthi wala ikhaya, umuthi osebenzela thina la ikhaya.
Umuzi omunye nomunye unemithi yayo.
Unemithi yayo, abanye i-church. You understand? Yes, abanye isonto, abanye yilo, I mean to say ama-herbs. Yeah, ama-herbs. Angeke uthi wena uyigedla and then uthenga imithi most of the time. No. Kumele bakubonise abantu abadala bakini in your dreams or nge-intuition.
Ukuthi imithi eyisebenzisayo ngile
Yeah, ukuthi lo muthi lo mntanami umuthi okwenza sona so, makuze umuntu osona so, kuze umuntu osona. I-secret yakho.
Oh.
It's your secret. Awumelanga uhambe utshela abantu.
Yazi khengeza abanye bathi basho umuntu i-secret yakubo bathini inkanyamba or yini, what about the snake in the water? Yeah, is that true?
Inkanyamba kuseyomuntu, inkanyamba yimvelo. It's just a water creature. You understand? Umoya. Hence I say kunamathongo kunamadlozi. You can't take inkanyamba out of the water. No one ever seen inkanyamba.
No man, akusi inkanyamba. What is the snake? And this is mermaid, marine spirit or something.
Mamlabo?
Yeah, the marine spirit, something like that. That's marine spirit yeah la kulo muzi lo. Kenza ukuthi umuzi ube ne marine spirit nje by just nature.
Yeah, it happens.
And then it moves like generation to generation.
That is why ngisho abantu abarich bahlala barich nabantwana baba barich because of this certain secret that they are doing. Yes. Abantu abarich ukuthi bahlale barich waya kunento bayisebenzisayo la ekhaya. Yeah. They will never be poor. And then thina abahluphekile, that is why ubona sinamadlozi sithwasa senzani. It's because of ama ancestors wethu kudala mebakhendlile most of them. And then bafena la secret. And then mababuya bathi sithwase wathi abasitshela straight ukuthi mntana mina mengikhendlile kahle njengoba uye entabeni mengiya entabeni ngiyenza into zami. Hambo yenza so then into yala ekhaya izophakama. Inkomo zami zibuye back. That is why umuntu okhendlile makashona ushona nenkomo zakhe umuzi uyabhidlika and stuff. Akatshelanga anyone in the family ukuthi sibe namashop kanje kwenzakalani. So abantu abarich bayatshelana ukuthi thina la ekhaya sisebenzisa imermaid. That is why ubona banama-company abantu aba-rich ba-right.
Hey, I think the best way is to thatha lento ne.
Ingcono ithatha lento mayithatha bomkhulu bethu basitshele sitshela abanye in the generation why
Ibe
bafanayo.
Yeah.
Yes, why bafanayo.
Eish. Yeah, because I remember I was okay. This one is a movie. I don't know whether it's gonna be true or not. Kings of Joburg. Have you seen it?
Isho mntana sekhaya utrayile ukungibonisa yona but yeah, kancane. Ama-clips, yeah.
Yeah. Ish.
I think it was this woman who wathatha isithwalo. I think it's better like that.
It's better like that way.
Yeah, it's better like ngiyabathola mina abantu abanjalo ngiba consult and then uzwe umkhulu wakhe athi ngicela ukuthi lo mntana ahamba yile ahlabe ilo. Ahlabe something maybe imbuzi or inkukhu afika eshiya entabeni.
Yeah.
And ahlabe every month. Bakhona abantu abanjalo.
Izokuvuka lento yakhe.
Uthi why bahlaba inkukhu abantu emanzini?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Abasebenzela abanye azibasebenzeli abanye bayaphapha nje. You understand? And most of people bathi bahlabela umjawu. Yeah, bathi bona bahlabela umjawu.
Why hlatshwe inkukhu emanzini?
Bathi bona bahlabela umjawu.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So angazi or umjawu udlala igazi or it's a ritual, I don't know, but asifani masingabantu. That's what they do.
But
Angazi understand bahlabela lenyoke lapha emanzini or bahlabela the spirit salomjawu na.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is very fascinating.
It is fascinating. Yabona lento yomjawu le confuse abantu abaningi, you understand? Yeah, I confuse abantu abaningi. Kimupedi umuzulu umutswana, how can we do the same thing?
Yeah.
Kanjani? Why mele sihlabe inkukhu sonke? Sho ukuthi senza into efuna uwe gobela because when you've been through it, mina ngeke ngisebenzele into kusebenzela.
Yeah.
So umuntu ucabanga ukuthi into esebenzele yena izosebenzela mina.
No, it doesn't apply.
No.
Not one size fit all, ne?
Not one size fits, especially entweni zomoya azifuni ithatha ama chance.
Yeah.
Uthatha ama chance.
Ukhona umuntu okhweza uwathule marine spirit.
Yeah, bakhona abaningi. That's why nginamanzi different. Khona abanye aba high spiritually, ba high ngibayise emanzini a high and then kunabanye abamanzi aba low and then ngibayisa kulamanzi low. So yeah, bakhona abanama marine spirit just ba lost abantwana babantu. Omunye mangimconsulta right just that use robotini eli green mele ngimtshele ukuthi go profit abantu so right wena uphethile ufedije.
Abantu bayagula la ngaphandle Nkosi yami.
Abantu bayagula, you know. Pam Gwezolo, I think I was consulting this woman. Mangimconsulta like angiboni nix ngiyamtshela ngithi no ku dark angiboni nix kuwe. You understand? Shukuthi wena you are high spiritually and alright uthi isigogo yazi mina I don't know what and then wavuka idlozi lakhe lakhuluma kusakaza akezwa lo. Akezwa uyazi ukuthi mina ngumnikazi wamanzi so and so and so and so. Achintsha ne voice efonini. Yes. So abanye bakwatisa amadlozi wabo bahamba ba consult. So lo mama wasithi lento yokutshintsha voice le iyayenzeka more often ngithi ukhulile, right? Stop consulting to people. Yeah, uyezwa wena idlozi lakho ukuthi lamanzi alifuni ukuthi uhambe uconsult ebantwini.
Kuyingozi uconsult ebantwini.
Especially when you have a high spirit, yeah. Dangerous. Njengami so I don't consult mina, angiconsult. Manje emuntwini uzongitshela ukuthi ngiphethwe inhloko nokuphathwa isisu anyeke abone next because idlozi lami liyavala. Not unless I go to a person on the same level then uzongitshela into eqondile. Yeah, I understand of course.
When last you went to consultation for consultation?
I don't know. Dala 2023.
Oh, masathoma le jini yakho. Oh, that was a long time, eh?
Yeah, it was a long time. Ama sisters wami afuni consulta but mangu live ku TikTok there are some people abakhona ukuthi bangitshela indaba for free. Yeah, bangitshela indaba for free.
Okay.
Mara bangitshela zona, you understand?
Yeah. Is it something ungayazi or something oyaziko vena?
It's something engiyaziyo. Yeah, it's something engiyaziyo. Bangitshela ngamanzi vele because mina ngisho ngumntana wamanzi vele. So abantu abaningi bathi emanzini abogogo baba basemanzini there's no such thing. Akuna gogo wakho emanzini. Your gogo is at the graveyard. Emanzini kunemimoya. Akuna mkhulu emanzini. Umkhulu wakho usemathuneni. Emanzini kunemimoya. So mina I'm led by imimoya yamanzi, not ama-ancestors wami. You understand? That's why ngi-shapeshifta ngishintsha nama-voice, ngingena nala kungangena khona. Ngihambisa idlozi phambili.
Yeah.
Ngihambisa imimoya.
Prophet, you and I can speak forever.
Yeah.
Yeah, abantu bakuthola kuphi? Where can they find you?
Ngiyatholakala. My name is Prophet Mashego, the medium, ku TikTok. Amanamba wami lapha ku TikTok. Nginama-account ayi-2, yes, and nginama-number ayi-2. Yes, amanamba wami ayi-2. Amanamba we-call it's 063 60 74 335. Awe call, awe WhatsApp, and then awe WhatsApp kuphela manye. It's 064 70 30 379. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
Subscribe, like, and share.
Make sure wena vele kuzokwenzeka. Yazi ngibe ngithi uzokuthi bana bamane there's this one that you use when it's your
That
TikTok.
one is on TikTok kuphela. Amara marudala ngani.
Yes, ngithanda wasethe kingwana bagubulela liba. Who get out prophet our own the one and only Prophet Mashego. Thank you so much for coming.
Yabo.
Hopefully we'll get many questions this time because people they were just shocked, especially the people new people. They were shocked. Okay, how can you speak with the dead? They were like me. They didn't know how is the mediumship going and etc. So I believe this time around they will drop more questions. So if next time it happens, we do a third one. We take those questions. But I feel like we can do live. You know.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, we should do live and then take questions from live so that they can understand how does the mediumship works.
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming. Me and you, we're going to meet again on the next one. Akbenjalo.